like that. Let it have its own space. Look at that, y'all. Man, that thing look gorgeous. Asian spare ribs. What's up, y'all? We gonna do us a whole spare rib on the smoker. Got this at Walmart. $12.61. Look at that big old thing. But check this out. We gonna do some Asian flair to it. So we gonna make some Chinese spare ribs. Let's get this marinade out the way. It's gonna serve for the ribs and the old barbecue sauce. You know, because we're gonna sauce it up a little bit. All right, so let's get to. We're gonna start out with this Bragg's amino acids. So yeah, about half cup there. Get this red wine vinegar. Do about a half a cup of that as well. Alright. For the sweetness, let's get some honey. Eyeball it. Maybe about 4 tablespoons right there. And star of the show. The Chinese 5 spice powder. MPG 5 spice powder. Got this off Amazon, y'all. This is like, whew, like one of my new favorites here. So we only need like a teaspoon of that. That's pretty strong. It is good. It is so good. Some ginger. Let's do 2 teaspoons of ginger. How about that? Garlic powder. We're gonna do 4 teaspoons. For our red color, instead of red food coloring, we're gonna use good old paprika. Let's do 4 teaspoons of that. All right, that should do it. And oh yeah, let's not forget the olive oil. 2 tablespoons of that. Eyeballing it. Oh, let's mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Yeah. It's got the consistency I want. All right. Let's not forget now, we gotta throw some pepper in there. About 1.5 teaspoons of the pepper. Cut this big bad boy open. Let's see what we got. If we could take it out of here real neat like. Yeah. All right. Let's go ahead and struggle with this membrane. Just gonna do it with my finger instead of putting the spoon under there. So we're just gonna get all the way up under there. Just like that. Look like it's working for me. All right. Come all the way off. All right, let me get that far and it still won't just act up. There you go, y'all. We had a little struggle, but we got it off. Got all that nasty stuff off. So we are gonna take just some little parts off, so this end on here just don't burn. So about that much. Just to even it out a little bit. That little tip is just hanging off there. Just to pretty it up a little bit. We're gonna leave the breastbone on. Alright, we're gonna take the flap off. Make life just a little bit easier. We're gonna still use this meat for something. Put it in some greens or something. Yeah, just to make this back look just a little prettier. And easy to work with, that's all. Nothing special, y'all, nothing special. Massage that bad boy. Get a little on the back here. We don't need too much on the back. Smell good. So I'm just gonna let that hang out for about an hour. All right, let's get the star of the show on here. This Asian rib. And this color is absolutely gorgeous. Lay it like that. Let it have its own space. Look at that, y'all. Man, that thing look gorgeous. Hey, y'all, we're gonna give it about 4.5 hours. Or however long it takes to get tender. We're just gonna let it ride. All right, y'all. Got the remainder of this marinade. Let's go ahead and sauce it up. Sauce it up. Now, I got a disclaimer. Now, I did have to add like 3 more tablespoons of honey. But that's the great thing of making sauces. You start off slow, real conservative, add the right amount of sweetness or saltiness that you want. And as simple as that. Now, if you start off hard, you can't go back. So with sauces, always start off conservative and take it up to your likeness. This is about the consistency I wanted right here. Yeah, we're going to go with that. Keep it somewhat liquidy, not like traditional barbecue sauce where it's super thick. And I'm loving my new toy, y'all. I got this Cuisinart countertop cooker. Finally got me one. All right, let's ready to go outside, get these ribs. Let this cool down a little. And we gonna sauce these babies up. 2 hours in. Where we at? 175, 177, 180. We just call it 180. We round. This is looking good. It is windy out here. Hot, 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 hot. Let's go ahead and wrap it up. We don't want the sugar to get too caramelized on it. Boom. Let it go an hour, baby. All right. I'm going to take it off to eat. Mm-hmm. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Look at that color on there. Ooh-wee. Let's get them all painted up. Let's get them painted up. Yeah, baby. All right. Pour just a little on the rice. Yes, baby. Yes, sir. Let's see what we got, baby. Tender. Yeah, baby. Man, I love spare ribs. Woo. Look at that, y'all. Smoke ring from that pecan wood. Perfect texture. Let it go to 200 right on the head. Not fall off the bone, but still tender. See how it's still holding together? And we got a little rib tip in. So y'all, this actually didn't take all that long. This one here only took 4 hours on the head at 250 degrees. Of course, I let it just smoke 2.5 hours. Then I wrapped it in butcher paper for an hour and a half. Voila. This is what we got, y'all. So y'all can do this. Showed y'all the Asian recipe. It's good, y'all. Check this out. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Appreciate you as always. Feel free to subscribe. Check out some more videos. Check this out. We out. Peace.